What's up, guys? I am back with another quick Godot video. Let's talk about how you can make these buttons pop up and be more responsive for the player. So, as it sits right now, I made this quick little main menu kind of a thing. As you can see, you hover, it does the normal button thing, but we can make that look better. So if you come to your button and go into signals, you can go into mouse entered, go ahead and connect that, but we need a script, so let's attach a script. Bam, create. Now our mouse entered. Connect. Right here, scale.x. Actually, we can do it as a vector, I believe. 1.1, 1.1. Oh no, I guess not. Okay. And for mouse exited, we will also connect that. Now we're pretty much doing the same thing, but in reverse. Obviously, this is a very jerry-rigged way. There's better ways you can store it in a variable up here and call it variable. I'm pretty sure you can store it as a vector 2D. Probably should. I think I did that last time, but it just threw me an error, and I forget. So, bam, there it is. Just like that, your button is much more responsive. And doing it again is as easy as copy and pasting for button quit, as long as you connect the signals. And that's it. If you gained anything from this video, be sure to comment, like, and subscribe, and be on the lookout for new content that I make. I'm trying to make more Godot content to spread the little tiny bits of knowledge that I'm getting as I go through my game dev journey.